Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to do a planner organization. Every now and again, probably every 6 to 8 weeks, I would throw in something special to help you organize your planning needs. So today we are going to organize our leftover planner stickers. If you're interested, please stay tuned. Hello everyone, and welcome to Bree's Project Book. Hello loves, and welcome to Ink on Paper. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you like what you see, please stay a while and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload videos. So here I have a planner kit. I store in these photo card keepers, I guess you can call them, that I purchased from Michael's. You could get these in different sizes. This is the largest size that I have. Inside here is my dashboard layout for a planner kit. Now these planner kits I purchased from Etsy, and they can be digital or the actual kit themselves. This one I have not used. So let's say I used all the stickers that I'm going to use from this kit. What do I do with the leftover stickers? Do I throw them away? Do I give them away? Do I keep them? Well, I can tell you now that I do not throw them away, and I do give away some. But most of the times I keep them. And I have found that I normally use these planner stickers in other layouts, because they can be pretty expensive, these kits, depending on how you purchase them. The digital ones are a little cheaper, but the kits can run you from anywhere to $15 to $25. So I can bear to throw them away. So how do I store and organize my leftover planner stickers? There are two ways. One way is a very inexpensive way to store your planner stickers. This is a leftover sticker paper from a sticker book that I used all the planner stickers from, or that I took off the stickers, remaining stickers that I had, and placed them in my organization that I'm getting ready to share with you. So this is the paper that's left over that I cut down to size. This is the plastic sleeves that I normally keep when I purchase planner kits. They give you these little sheets when it comes in a planner kits. What I do is, anytime I have leftover planner stickers, I restick them on the paper that I've already had and use the planner sleeves that I already acquired and just slide them in here to protect them. Now you have a way to store your leftover planner stickers. So let's say that you have a lot of leftover planner stickers, which we all do because we don't organize them right away, and you don't have enough of those reusable sticker paper and planner kit sleeves. Well, you can purchase some simple supplies from Amazon like I did here. These Ultra Pro 4x6 soft sleeves comes 100 in a pack. They were very inexpensive. I will put all the prices in description in the description box below, but I purchased these from Amazon. Like I said, it's 100 in the pack, and they're just some plastic sleeves that you can use to protect your stickers when you put them on the paper. And I love these. They come in different sizes, and these are the size that would fit inside of my smaller sticker box that I will show you, organization box that I will show you, sorry. So that's the sleeves. The actual sticker paper that I'm using came from Amazon also. This is a sticker book. Now these little books are cute, and they have them in different colors, and you know, they're great for kids when they like to collect stamps or collect their stickers. They will apply them in this book, and inside here there are several pages of sticker paper that you can reapply and apply stickers to, and they're very useful, and I find that these are excellent to store my stickers in. Basically, you just take your stickers that you have not used and apply them on here. As you can see, they stick very well and they come off very easily. So what I do is I take off a page and I cut it down to size like this. And I put my stickers on here and just slide this inside the sleeve. Now, I normally make several of these. This is just an easier way that I already have some pre-made. So that's what these are. These are pre-made little kits that I can put my stickers in. So that's the products that you can use to organize and store your stickers. Now you can place those in an envelope, in a box, or however way you want to store it. But how I store it is in this nice little container here, which is a bins container and the smaller photo boxes that Michaels have. Each one of these boxes are divided into categories. As you can see, we have headers, functional, deco boxes, decorating, holidays, entertainment, check boxes, and planner icons. Now these are just the categories that I normally have leftover stickers in. You could create your own categories however way you need them, but these are what I need. And basically what I done is I took those sticker papers that I shared with you and I filled them up with what leftover stickers that I have, and I put them in these categories. Now the great thing about these boxes, they can hold several of these little kits here. You can fill them up until there is no more if you need to. But so far I just need one sheet. And basically, as you can see, how I applied stickers from kits that I had and just stick them on here. It doesn't matter to be the same kit. It all depends on you how you want to do it. But I just use, as you can see, there are different fonts and from different kits. And these are my headers that are from those kits that I can reuse in other layouts. So I'm really liking this. This is the sticker paper, and if you have not applied them on to the sticker paper yet, so I just slid them down into this envelope because I was lazy. Let's be truthful, because I was lazy and didn't put them on the paper yet, but it still works. They're inside my envelope sleeve, so they won't come out and get lost, and they're easy to grab one and put it on here. So they're all in the same packet and ready to go. Pretty simple, right? So that is my headers. So I will go through these quickly, but you basically get the idea how I organize my leftover stickers. So those were the headers. These are my functional stickers. These are my deco boxes. Now I normally have a lot of deco boxes that I have not used, and I'm not sure why, but it seems that I don't use a lot of them. Now a lot of these deco boxes are not from kits. They are from stickers that I just purchased as a single purchase from Michaels, or they're stickers that come from the vendor from Etsy. You know how they throw you extra stickers and you can use them on your planner. These are just for decorating. This is their washi tapes and things in that nature. These are holiday stickers. Normally I DIY these on my using Canva or what have you, but or craft paper, but these are holiday stickers that I created or DIY stickers. This is my entertainment. These are just stickers for movies, television shows, popcorn, things of that nature. And you see I don't have that many of these. Not that many, so I have plenty of room to grow on. So you might not even need a lot of sticker paper. It all depends on what you use the most of. These are my check boxes. As you can see, I use my check boxes. There's not that many on here. And lastly, we have the planner icons. And these are just icons. This could be meals, trash day, airport, laundry, cleaning, you know, things in that nature. Doctor appointment. And you see how organized this is. I can easily get what I want. If I need a sticker and I just need a quick sticker to complete a design or layout, and I don't need to get something new, I can just go through here first and see, can I find what I need before I use something new. I hope this was helpful and you received some great ideas and tips on how you can plan your planner space and organize your planner accessories. I see you guys on in the next video, and you have a great day. Bye bye.